Good morning, everyone. This is a very important moment for every one of us to deliberate on various factors, assessment factors, which are important in evaluating our healthy workplaces as a WHO healthy workplaces. And I thank Madam Dr. Ms. Chandra Tripathi and Mr. Paul and GAIL management for considering me for this 4th GAIL India Award of AUSD. We express our sincere gratitude and thanks for giving us this opportunity to present Indian Oil Healthy Workplace programs before the August gathering. So this is an initiative which was started by WHO, that all our workplaces, they should be healthy and safe. So they have given us a particular model, and based on that model we have to do the things in our workplaces so that our employees are safe, our contract employees are safe, and the surrounding community, the communities which is surrounding our locations, wherever our establishments are there, they should also be safe, and that is called as community involvement. So by CSR activities, how we take care of our these communities which are surrounding our locations, that is important. So this is the 4th GAIL India Oration, and I thank everyone and GAIL management for bestowing this award to me. Now, Indian Oil is the energy of India, and it is the highest ranked energy public sector undertaking of India. Currently ranked as 212 in Fortune 500 global listing, and Great Indian Single Horn Rhino is our brand ambassador, and it is a brand mascot, a symbol of strength, power, agility, which we have adopted for preservation of this rare species. Indian Oil is the company of choice, and people are central to our existence. We are a major player in meeting India's energy demands, as we are a diversified and integrated company with presence across the entire oil and gas chain values. Being the energy of India is not just a motto for us. This is stated by our respected chairman sir, and it is an abiding reminder of the trust which is reposed by the country and our responsibility towards our billion plus customers for enriching their lives. And this is a commitment which is expressed by our honorable chairman sir. Health and safety is intrinsic to our DNA, and our leadership is committed towards the same, and it is visible in our policies. All our policies like environment, HSC policies, CSR policy, energy policy, water policy, waste management policy, our leadership commitment is very much there to demonstrate our leadership commitment for all these issues. And Indian Oil policies, they are also endorsed by our 25 workers union and 1 officers association. So this is an important aspect of the WHO Healthy Workplace program, that there should be a leadership commitment, and there should be business ethics should be there, and all the unions and officer association, all workers, they should be a part of this commitment. Now, being a responsible energy major, we are signatory to the UN Global Compact Principles on Human Rights, Labour Laws, Environment and Anti-Corruption. We are also a signatory to the Vision Zero campaign and have incorporated the principles of safety, health and well-being in our healthy workplace programs. Our leadership leads the way by setting an example and actively participating in our healthy workplace programs such as Petrol Run Marathon, yoga or corporate fitness challenge. It inspires the employees to lead a healthy and happy way. Recently, the President of India, he also bestowed the Indian Oil with encouragement of sports through CSR activities. So, wherever we initiate any health activity, our leadership involves in that, and they show us the path to lead the way for a healthy workplace program and for its sustainability. Then another component of this WHO Healthy Workplace program is women leadership, and in Indian Oil, women leadership is always in forefront. Our Arohi, a climber initiative, it aims at overall leadership development of women employees, promoting inclusivity and diversity. People are central to our existence, and we are all in it together for creating, planning and sustaining the healthy workplaces. Special benefits, they are extended to the employees in special and unforeseen circumstances. So it shows that whenever we start a plan, we should care for our employees, and with people with disabilities or with special abilities, we have to be extra careful about taking care of them. Together, we are creating healthy workplaces, and we follow a strategy which is driven by our Dare to framework, which means demonstrating dexterity in our decision making, building an adaptable workforce, being resilient, motivating people through continuous engagement and through empathy. So these are our initiatives through which we create healthy workplaces in Indian Oil. Together we can, and it is our constant endeavor to maintain an inclusive work environment. Board level committees including health, safety, environment, HR, CSR, medical officers, they monitor our healthy workplace programs, and suggestions and feedbacks, they are encouraged through Indian Oil suggestion schemes. So it is an inclusive effort by every one of us. Then another important assessment criteria for WHO Healthy Workplace Program is the framework of ethical business. We enforce all our relevant occupational health and safety norms and abide by the ethical principles of do no harm. All our refineries are OSHA certified. Some of the examples of our integrated activities that result in both pollution control and resource conservation, they are auto fuel quality improvements, energy efficient operations, effective treatment and recycling of water waste, and water conservation and solid waste management. So this is our policy of doing no harm, and this is an ethical business for every one of us in Indian Oil Corporation. Our healthy workplace programs, they are closely aligned with the WHO Healthy Workplace model, and they are infused by our core values of care, innovation, passion and trust. This is with a specific focus on physical and psychosocial work environment, addressing personal health resources and ensuring enterprise community involvement in all our endeavors. So these are the various verticals of WHO Healthy Workplace Program which are a part, and they are the integral part of this WHO model, and we have to work on all these aspects of leadership engagement, physical work environment, psychosocial work environment, workers involvement, personal health resources, then enterprise community involvement to create a healthy workplace. Then ensuring aligned physical work environment, we take care of our physical work environment with effective effects to control identified health hazards through work environment monitoring, biological monitoring and ergonomic evaluation of the workstations. So our industrial hygienist friends across the corporation and our designated safety officers, they carry out this environment monitoring and keep these hazardous emission within controllable limits and which are not affecting the health of our people and the surrounding communities. Our dedicated teams, they keep the workplaces safe for workforce and for the surrounding community. The occupational health program is monitored at local level, divisional level and at the corporate level with a robust support system. Integrated occupational services is also an important aspect of our multidisciplinary team, and corporate occupational health meet is organized annually where inputs from fields locations, they are deliberated for improvement in our healthy workplace program. And for your information, yesterday only we had our 9th corporate occupational health meet, and we have invited all our medical heads and occupational health physicians and representatives from our various divisions to witness this healthy workplace program conference today, so that we can further strengthen our healthy workplace programs in our Indian Oil Corporation across all locations. An annual Occupation Health and Wellness Index trophy is awarded to the best adjust refinery unit based on annual self-assessment in prescribed format by our chairman. These are the trophies for 2017-18. It was given to Gujarat Refinery by our respected chairman. In 2019 it was given to Mathura Refinery, and 2021 it was awarded to Haldia Refinery. So today, because of the COVID, for last 2 years we had been working virtually. So today will be a great day when we will be handing it over to our respective medical heads of Gujarat Refinery and Haldia Refinery. Corporate occupational health manuals, they are it is being updated periodically, and it integrates all our OHS systems and procedures across the corporation. And 31 occupational health activities, they have been identified by our own doctors, and their standard operating procedures were made, and they were drafted by our own team, and they were published as a corporate manual on SOPs for occupational services. And medical reality retina published by Indian Oil is designed to give ample of information to employees regarding healthcare recommendations for different decades of our life as we age in our organization. Indian Oil, being a 24/7 industry, has identified fatigue as a risk and have implemented a fatigue risk management approach to fatigue. And the guidelines on fatigue management at workplace, they are as per the American Petroleum Institute 755 guidelines, and they are implemented across the corporation. And tips to avoid fatigue, they are widely circulated for awareness of our workforce, and it is delivering better health and safety outcomes by reducing the number of near-miss incidents. And yesterday only we had discussed our fatigue risk mitigation index, which we will be soon implementing in our respective locations. Then canteen hygiene index. This was an important aspect which we started from our corporate health safety environment, and this is reviewed and updated quarterly by the canteen committee of respective locations, and it is monitored annually by the divisional HR heads, and displayed. This index is displayed prominently at all the locations, and it is reviewed and updated periodically. Then food safety workshops also we are conducting for supervisors, TPMs. TPM is implemented in canteens, and it helps the supervisor in maintaining high standards of hygiene in our canteens. This initiative has reduced the incidence and prevalence of non-communicable diseases amongst the employees, and now the employees, they are more calorie conscious, and they take care of their health through having a balanced diet. Guidelines on healthy lifestyle, nutrition and home remedies for common ailments, they were also published with the help of subject experts to guide our employees how to take care of their physical health. Then managing stress and health at workplace, it is also very important, and to manage stress effectively in our day-to-day life, including work life, a series of self-evaluation questionnaires, they were distributed with remedial measures by the subject experts, which has helped our employees, and they are now well informed about the causes, symptoms and the effect of stress on the body and how to relax themselves. A manual on managing stress and health at workplace was compiled and released by our ex-chairman. So, whatever initiative we do, if we involve our leadership, then definitely your programs will sustain, and this is the key message for involving our leadership in all these efforts which we are doing. Now, Indian Oil is the first public sector undertaking to launch Project Happiness and Wellbeing, and in this project also a series of self-evaluation questionnaires on parameters which normally affect the happiness and their remedial measures, they were circulated. Then manual on happiness and well-being was launched by the motivational speaker Sister B.K. Shivani, and happiness and well-being workshops, they provide an insight into the employee mindset that underlies their everyday behavior, and these insights, they have helped in improving the employee productivity, and they are more conscious now about stress management, happiness. So this has helped in overall psychosocial improvement in our thinking. management has realized that employee assistance program is important, and a program, employee assistance program titled Paramarsh was launched, and this is an intervention which is designed to assist employees in resolving issues that arise in day-to-day work life. And in this initiative, we conduct emotional wellness workshops, one-to-one counseling sessions with a team of clinical psychologists through a toll-free helpline number. This employee assistance program, it has helped Indian Oil employees in strengthening their emotional well-being and their internal resilience, thereby improving their productivity, which was observed during this COVID-19 pandemic. So phase 1 of this EAP program, Paramarsh, it is over now, and based on the recommendation, now we are going for the second phase of employee assistance program, which will involve more workshops, more personal interactions, and more resolutions of the queries from the employees and the retired employees also. Now we have engaged employees in our continuous learning process, because for 2 years there was COVID and a lot of restrictions were there, so we were all working online, and virtual meetings was the norms of working. So how to continue these programs, occupation programs, health promotion programs? So we continued with this e-learning module, Swadhyay, and yesterday only our Director HR, he has inaugurated this annual conclave on Swadhyay, and more than 1.5 lakhs e-learning courses, they have already been covered by our employees. And taking this lead from occupational health side or from health side, we have also designed about 8 programs covering the physical and psychological health of our employees, and employees, they have utilized this platform of e-learning courses through this Swadhyay module, and a total of more than 1 million e-learning modules have been completed by the employees, making the best use of time and restricted mobility during the COVID-19 pandemic. And we have also started a series of podcasts and lead talks to reach out to the Indian Oil workforce. So these are the initiatives which help in developing healthy workplaces and keep our employees safe, healthy and emotionally healthy, and being resilient to the circumstances which they encounter in their day-to-day life. Then targeted health promotion programs, they are being organized by our locations through community participation, by employee involvement, workers involvement at all the locations to protect and enhance their health and well-being. And this is a routine affair, and yesterday we have decided to make a calendar of these programs, and soon this new program for the new year, it will be launched by our management. Then digitalization of whatever we are doing, that is also important, because we have to do the analysis of whatever data we have fed in our system, in our hardware, and this way we are now we have digitalized our occupational services, initially in refinery, where all the medical examinations, their data is now being entered in the software, and later on we can do the analysis and make policy decisions on what all things, what are new programs we have to design for the health and well-being of our employees. Then contributing to the nation building and the community development. Indian Oil is contributing to the nation building through various community development programs, like providing clean cooking fuel free of cost to the poor families, safe drinking water to remote locations, and supporting an innovative initiative of robot for cleaning of sewers to eliminate manual scavenging. And Indian Oil Foundation is working towards preserving and presenting our rich national heritage to the future generations. So all these efforts, they are helping in sustaining our healthy workplace program and for the care of the community. We believe in caring with heart and sharing with passion, and we have pledged to serve our senior citizens also, and prison inmates across India, they are motivated in sports through coaching by our Indian Oil sport person. And a few days back only, the third program which was launched, that is Parivartan from prison to pride, and it is helping helping all our jail inmates to develop their physical and mental health. These prison inmates across India, they are motivated in sports through this coaching Indian Oil sports person, and medical facilities are provided in surrounding villages through mobile medical units and opportunities to underprivileged girls to develop a career in nursing through our nursing college at Pitboy, and aids and assisted devices to physically challenged, free health consultations, medicines to the livestock, and Indian Oil Skill Development Institute at Bhubaneswar for the underprivileged youth. A high-level committee was set up to monitor the COVID-19 pandemic in Indian Oil, and we have issued more than 42 advisories now, where were issued to provide authentic information and mitigate the evolving pandemic. Online COVID dashboard was developed indigenously for real-time monitoring of the COVID-19 cases, and we have developed 24/7 helpline for providing medical assistance, development of more than 110 COVID care centers with medical equipment for self, and we have provided equipment for self-health monitoring to our employees and to our retired employees also, and teleconsultation facilities also to them for in-house teleconsultation through our in-house teleconsultation app. And this is being supported by more than 250 Indian Oil doctors across the corporation. More than 97% of 0.5 million Indian Oil beneficiaries have now been vaccinated under this mission vaccination. Our employees, they are almost 100% covered now. Our chairman says that kindness pays, and Indian Oil extends all support to the community and Government of India by providing end-to-end logistics support for vaccination, transportation, for health insurance to Indian Oil employees, frontline workers, ex gratia to the family of deceased, distribution of sanitizer bottles, masks, etc. They have been contributed to 250 million. We have also contributed 2,250 million Indian rupees to the Prime Minister Care Fund. So our chairman states that during COVID-19, Team Indian Oil commitment and resilience shined as abundant testimony to our core values of care, innovation, passion and trust. Indian Oil is also a great place to work and has been contributed to the field of preventive and promotive health at international forums. Recently concluded ICO 2022, 12 scientific papers were submitted by Team Indian Oil, and they were accepted and presented during this 33rd International Congress. And today we are presenting this Global Healthy Workplace Program before all the PSU medical heads and all the corporate medical doctors, so that whatever we have achieved, we can percolate it down to other organizations also. And Indian Oil is designed to build a sustainable future by creating, envisaging and sustaining the healthy workplaces. Indian Oil is fulfilling the India's energy needs, and Indian Oil became the lifeline of the Indian Oil people during the second wave of COVID pandemic, when we ensured the logistic and supplies of liquid medical oxygen to the hospitals. And when it comes to the serving the people, no terrain is beyond our reach. Our Indian Oil is born to pursue greatness, and greatness is not a destination but a journey of excellence for every one of us. The company is designed for a great future, and leadership engagement and workers' involvement in creating healthy workplaces for all. So thank you all very much. This was about the healthy workplace programs. How this is our journey of Indian Oil as per the WHO healthy workplace model. How we have tried to develop Indian Oil as a healthy workplace, and now as advised by our respected chairman, we are now percolating it down to all our locations, and we want all our locations to be healthy, safe, and all the PSUs, we are also trying through this scope and the scope health committee that we can handhold all the PSUs and guiding them how to develop and create healthy workplaces. And this is our main aim for this program. And I thank you, Madam, very much for giving this opportunity, for delivering this post-Gale ovation and showcasing what Indian Oil is doing as a globally certified healthy workplace in large employer.